day.
There it is.
That one just rocked that steel.
There it is.
You see where that hit on the plate?
Let me zoom in. No, but the only thing that looks like I can tell is low.
Alright. Where'd that one go? I just high, but
Over the left shoulder.
Hit?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was that? Just about shoulder height and to
Over
the right,
to the
about
right shoulder.
okay. Drop, baby. Drop those flags. Wow, it's blowing, blowing, blowing. Here we go. Drop. Alright, they dropped.
There it is. Oh man.
Where?
Right off the bottom right corner of the target.
Oh.
Midway we're blowing to the left, target we're blowing right.
Wow. Look how far, that's the first time we've gone 3/4 value to left to right.
Yeah.
It's gonna drop now. Come on, drop.
There, I think it pretty much is.
Here we go.
Oh.
Yes, sir!
Was it the last one?
No, we got one more, brother.
Alright, it's still weak down there.
Come on, drop. Drop. Drop flags. Was that almost a full powered no value in, right?
Oh, that, yeah, they're about to drop. It looks
Yeah,
like.
they look like they're about to drop. Oh, come on, let me get to. Here we go, drop.
Yeah.
Great hit. Oh, same place.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Same place, but I think you were a little lower though. But I still think you need to come down about 6-8 inches on the target. Great hit. Great hit. think you were just to the left top shoulder. I could be wrong on that though.
I'm waiting on that.
Yeah, I would wait right now. That wind's going.
This is my last one.
That wind is going ape shit. Look at you got almost a full value at both midpoint and at target. And now you got a full value at midpoint, and you got a no value headwind. Headwind.
Walking around.
They're lined up now almost. They are.